Hello everyone, today we will introduce you a new monitor from Lilliput company. The model of this one is UM-1010/C/T. At first, let me introduce you some accessories and other parts in the box. Okay, this is a USB cable. This is a power charger. This is touch pen. This is the user manual. This is a driver disc for monitor. This is a monitor. Second, let me introduce you some ports on the monitor. Okay, this is the USB port. This is another USB port. The USB port is standard port. This is the power charger port. This is adjustable bracket. This is the power button. This is the up and down menu. Okay, third, let me introduce you some main features of this monitor. One, it has one 10.1-inch LED touchscreen. Two, the resolution of this monitor is 1024 by 600 pixels. Three, the contrast of this monitor is 500:1. 4. The viewing angle of this monitor is 150 degrees. 5. This monitor was used to connect to your PC or notebook. Let me show you a picture to describe it. It is better than me to describe it. Okay, see? This is the notebook, this is the monitor. Connect it to your notebook and the screen will show what are those on the notebook's screen. The last one is the last and the most important one feature is this monitor can be charged by USB cable. It is very convenient to take